Guys, I'm going to show you how to start from A to Z, how to take your first trade with less than $500. That's all you need. You don't need 25,000 PDT rule, everything you've learned. Welcome to the world of futures. Welcome to the world of prop firms. I'm going to show you everything you need to do step by step. By the way, this is video 5 in a series of prop firm trading. If you haven't watched part 1 or the first video, please go to the YouTube playlist or the free course, daytradeprofessor.com, and go through it properly because you'll have unanswered questions. So this is for someone who has no clue what they're doing, and I'm going to show you quickly how to enter the market without the noise, without the chaos, without nonsense every 2 seconds in a video. So let's go through it. I'm logged into my prop account, Funding Ticks. That's the one I use. I like them across the board. I've said multiple reasons why I like them. Try them out. So what you're going to want to do is first go to Funding Ticks. You're going to want to log in, sign up, and you're going to want to do this. My suggestion to you is, this is for someone, again, with just $500 to spare that can use it. You're going to want to do 0, Funding Ticks 0. And by the way, if you're watching this in the future and things have changed, well, things have changed. You know, what can I do about the video? 100,000, and then use the code, just hit sell. And you get 35% off or whatever the discount is in the future when you type in just hit sell. So again, this video should be less than $400 or $389, but you know, for thumbnail, for YouTube circumstances, we're just gonna say less than $500. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just wanna let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just wanna start it off, Day Trade Professor, click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. This is all you need, and then you agree payment. You're going to get an email. Click accept on the form. Do your security measures, ID, passport, whatever you got. And then that's it. Wait a few minutes, and then you'll be ready to go. Once you are ready to go, you will have access to an account. You see 3 here. You can take up to 3 and copy trade, but don't do that right now. You do a singular account. Okay, once you have a singular account, 100K, you'll get the credentials, the login information. You're going to get all of that. Again, please go watch previous videos to get the details for that. This is not the video for that. Once you get all the credentials, you're going to go to Tradeovate, fill out the form, fix the settings, and then, again, previous video. You got to go watch the other ones. And then from there, you'll have access to this. Then you're going to go to TradingView. Okay, so let me show you TradingView. You're going to take a trade. And what ticker? MNQ1 exclamation point. You will do 1 contract. I'm not going to show you multiple time frames, any of that business here, any of that. You're going to do 1 contract. You're going to go long, short, the whole 9 yards on MNQ. You're going to learn everything on how the market works, okay? Once you understand candles, levels, and multiple time frames, you'll be able to understand all the data points happening on this chart. We're hitting my resistance level right now. This is a futures ticker, MNQ, a gentle mover. Do not do NQ. It moves too fast, too volatile, and you don't know what you're doing right now. You're going to just do 1 contract on MNQ, 1 exclamation point. That's what this ticker is. So now let's see, we're waiting. That rejection's happening right there. I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell, consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go. Let's go short. Stop loss would be above 451 candle close. So we're in this trade. The best teacher of trading is XP points, experience points. This is what you're going to do. And by the way, you see ticks here. Let me change the settings to show you. You can change this to whatever you want. I have ticks here because the money distracts you. Your goal is not to focus on this. This is your end goal. Your end goal is this. It is not your final goal. Your goal is to learn how the candles move, how to understand making levels. By the way, use my free course. If you don't know, again, less than 500. You don't have to buy my books. You don't have to buy any of it. Actually, you have money left over. You should get How to Be a Consistent Trader. At least one of my books. How to Be a Consistent Trader will put you on the right path. So boom, actually, that works out with the thumbnail. You paid $300 something for this account. My book is $150 and go for it. Go for it. right there. And that'll cover the 500. So now the YouTube thumbnail is proper. Once you learn candles, levels, and then multiple time frames that you see here, then you can trade well. Then you can just take good trades across the board. And then you can copy trade after the fact. Now, if you notice, one contract, let me show you another part. This, I got in, you see the red line, is my entry. My entry price is right here. Let me expand this more. There you go. So it's easy for you to see. My entry line is 449.25. And right now it's at 452, 453.50 right there. So I'm down negative. If you see a negative here, but it's okay. It's battling my resistance level. Let's see if my resistance comes out to be true here. So I'm not too worried because my support and resistance is pretty good, as you can see. Candle hasn't closed above. That's what you want. That's what you want. Once it closes above, that's my stop loss. Again, read the book or go to the free course if you got no money. But if you got $500 and you're watching this, boom. Yep, my resistance was very good. How did I make this? Go read the book. I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go. And then once you do really well and you start making money, then you can come to class. Now, if you notice, I'm up $11 right here, $4. It's battling that resistance level right here. I got 3 levels right here. It's battling the in-between level. I don't want this video to become massively long, but one contract, as you can see, how much do you make an hour? How much do you make an hour? Let me ask you that question. Let's see where my entry was. I don't like having all these execution labels and numbers here. It bothers me. I got in this candle, battling it. 1, 2, in 3 minutes, $17, $18. You think your life force is worth 1 hour making that? I think in New York, I live in New York, but I'm in Mexico. A minimum wage, I think, is $17, $18. It's $20, $23. That's what you do. This is what you're going to do. You're going to practice on this and execute on this. I can stay because my rejection was strong to the next level. We'll lock in $30. Let's lock in $30, but we don't talk like that. Let's lock in $25, $24 right there. We locked in $24 in 1, 2, in 3 minutes. $24 were locked in. But yet, you make that in an hour? Your life force is worth $20 an hour? When I made that in 3 minutes, and now it's bouncing back up. What you need to understand is candles, levels, and multiple time frames is the way to go. There's no Discord service. I don't sell monthly subscriptions. I got none of that. That's not what you want. What you want is to take your money and master the market with the least amount of money possible. The RR, return on investment, right? That's Tradeovate. Let's go back to funding ticks. Buy the challenge. Don't do the challenge one step. Just go to 0. Don't do all of that stuff. Just lock your money in. Do what I told you to do. And this is the way to go. You'll need to go to Tradeovate, connect with TradingView, and again, this is a previous video. This is video 5 of a series of multiple videos on prop firms. You got to go through all of them, please. And that's it. You get to keep 90% of your profits, 10% the prop firm take. That's fine. Paying this much money for what? Get the book, daytradeprofessor.com, go through all of it, and lock in some money. This is the way to go. I am telling you, it's not that difficult. All in due time. May peace be upon you all. See you in class.